Hey YouTube, back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing a tripod stand which I got from Daraz.Pk. Go search it on the website. I'm going to be showing you guys this unboxing video of this tripod stand which I got from Daraz. It was like 630 something rupees. I think it's affordable. Now let's see what's inside. This thing open. Wrapping on it. Made in China, guys. Made in China. Tripod 3120, three-way head, good level, 4-section, aluminum legs, and wing level up. Now that I'm looking for a bag, actually it was already heavy. Yeah, this is the extending all the legs. So skinny legs, and over there on the pictures they were really sturdy and hard, and the top, I think this could break in a week or two because this is really fragile. The nuts are loose, and these are some buttons I don't know where to put, which are not even in use of this. And the most dumbest part of this is that they put this kind of sticker to trick people that this is a button for something.